guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another order to share with you guys. If you remember, I had offered my planner society kits. I offered to make TNs out of them and just sell them. So actually Pam ended up buying the pink one, which is, I believe it's the March Planner Society kit, but I'll leave it here on the screen somewhere just in case for you guys to, if you want to go back and see what that kit was. But yeah, so she decided to order it and I'm so grateful, so thankful, and I'm so excited. It came out absolutely gorgeous. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I am so pumped for her to get it, and I can't wait. The color combination is everything. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the TN that I sent to her, and again, I did this using one of my Planner Society kits. Oh my goodness. So it is kind of like a marble-ish type of background. It has gray, it has soft pink, and it even has like a little hint of like green and blue. I don't know, it's just absolutely stunning. So this is what it looks like with the pom-pom trim, and everything is nice and laminated. Corners are rounded. As you can see, it is super chunky. The folder's already like popping out a little bit, but it has pink elastic, soft pink pom-pom trim, white pom-pom trim. And then here is the, oh my gosh, this is what makes it even more gorgeous. This is the tassel, and I used my newest yarn that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's that really, really light gray, and it's just so soft and so pretty. And then for the bow, I decided to cut it using the glitter silver felt. And I love it. This is like faux leather, and it's silver, and it has bling, and it's shiny, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. I'm obsessed. So this is what the top looks like. As you can see, I did not do a ribbon page marker. Instead, I did the word tapper page marker, which I love. I thought it was perfect. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Once you open the planner, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, sorry there's so much glare because there's a lot of silver in here. I'll try to hold it like this, but over here it has a little washi page marker, a little card, and a little pocket for extra storage. And then on this first page over here, it just has a lot of layering, some washi tape. I put her name at the top. It has the bow and the stars, a lot of puffy stickers. It has, I did use a lot of 3D foam, so it just looks so pretty. I love this. And then I did add the little tabs that came in the kit so that, she can label her little notebooks. And then over here, again, I used a lot of washi to give extra decor. So I did some pink on this side, some gray, and some shiny silver over on this side. And then again, I did some die cutting with my Sizzix machine. So I added like little frames and borders. And then over here, it has the Be Kind and the self-care puffy words that came with the kit. All the die cuts are from the kit. So everything that I use is everything from the kit. Minus the gray and silver washi tape. That's from my stash, but look at how cute. Again, a lot of 3D pop-ups, and then I added the word plan up there. I added some little silver puffy stars, and then it has the soft pom-pom trim. I love the contrast with the silver and the gray. It just looks so pretty. I love it. And over here we have another book. This is the grid dot, and the kit did come with a paper clip, so I did include that in there. I wanted to make sure I made it extra special for her. And then over here on this side, I added a few of the little to-do sticky notes. I added the planner girl word, and then the little puffy star. It has the pink pom-pom trim. This is the page marker, and it is made out of vellum, and it's just so pretty. It has little pocket page markers, and look at how cute the back is. Oh, and again, this right here is the backing that comes with the packaging. So again, you can always use those packagings, the backings, or that's at least what I call them, the backings of the packaging, and create a little page marker out of them. So on this side, I did the vellum, which worked out perfect. And then over here on this side, I added a little quote card, and then the washi tape at the bottom, and then the word tapper at the top. That's the silver one. And then over here, look at how cute this is. It has the little card washi tape on top, on the bottom, and then it has a little hint of doily right there. And then it has hustle, and then a little 3D puffy star. Here we have the book. Again, another little tab for dividers. Over here, I added like a marble. This is kind of like a marble binder clip, and I added the white elastic, so giving her the pen loop. I decided to just go ahead and give her the pen. Why not? It's absolutely gorgeous, and I love the pen, but I'm like, I'm gonna part with it. So and then over here on this side, I love what I did over here. I did a lot of layering, a lot of lace. So I did lace over here, lace over here. I did layering of washi tape. I did the love puffy heart, the puffy words, then the cozy over here, the transparent word, a lot of 3D foam with the little die cuts and little stars, and I just kind of made them, you know, to almost similar and just a little hint of different, but other than that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's the paper clip, and then over here again it has the tab. And then, oh, the book's upside down. And then, let me fix the book because this one is upside down. The tab's gonna end up at the top, but it's totally okay. And then over here on this side, I just added the die cuts. I added the little puffy stars, and then I just wanted a hint of pink, so I added a little bit of washi tape on the back of that, and then same thing over here, and I thought that was like the perfect little touch for it. And then over here, this is the little tri-folder that I made for her. It says Planner Girl. It has a gorgeous flower. It does have Velcro. And look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. The middle has a sticky nose, and then over here it has a little side pocket, and then over here it has a little pocket as well. So I decided to just go ahead and gift her the little sticker kit that came with the kit, and they fit perfectly in the pocket, so I think it'll be perfect for her little like planner pages. She can make little spreads out of them. But yeah, oh my goodness, I love how this little tri-folder came out. And then over here on the back, I added an extra pocket. This is the pocket that came with the TPS kit. It is like a transparent pocket, but it's almost like gray with flowers. It's just gorgeous. Over here, I added another pocket, and then I don't know if you guys remember, but the kit also came with these extra little bow pen loops. And so this is just an extra pen holder, and I did adhere it on there nice and tight so that it stays on there because these do tend to fall out. So I just added extra adhesive, and it does, you know, she can add a smaller pen over here, and I love it. I think it came out so pretty, and I'm so excited for her, and I can't wait for her to get it. And yeah, that was pretty much what I sent to her, and I'm so excited. It came out so pretty. And as a thank you, of course, I also made her a little felt bow paper clip. So we'll just go ahead and put that right there. I just made her a little white paper clip so that she can, you know, add to her planner. If she doesn't want to use the pink one, she can always put the bow one, or she can add the bow one and just have extra paper clips on there. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's what I sent to her. Really quick, I did make Cynthia an order too. She requested a black tassel, and she wanted it with a pink bow. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, obsessed with the yarn. I love it. Definitely gonna have to go back to Hobby Lobby to try to collect all the colors. But here we have that pink bow, absolutely gorgeous. I love the color combination. I like the height. I left this open for her so that she can, you know, adjust it to whatever planner she wants, whether it's a TN, a ring planner, or whatever. And then as her little thank you gift, I made her this little flower paper clip, but this is actually faux leather. So this time I decided to do it out of faux leather, and it has the black, the pink, and then the black, and then it's on the black paper clip so that she can use it whenever she wants. I can tell she likes a lot of pink and black, so I did it in pink and black. And other than that, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there is anything that you're interested in ordering, send me an email. Go ahead, DM me on Instagram. All my information is always linked down below. And yeah, we'll just kind of take it from there. So thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!